Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Neo English, your daily podcast for learning English with real news stories.
Today, we have a big topic from the Washington Post. Diddy trial live updates. Ex-employee Capricorn Clark says Sean Combs threatened Kid Cudi.
Don't worry if this sounds difficult. We will explain everything step by step using simple English.
First, let's start with some background. Sean Diddy Combs is a famous music producer and businessman in the United States.
He is in a federal trial. A trial is when a court listens to a case and decides if someone is guilty or not. Federal means the trial is in the national court, not the state court.
Right. Let's talk about the main event. Capricorn Clark, who used to work for Diddy, is expected to give her testimony in court.
Testimony means telling your story or answering questions in court. For example, the witness gave his testimony yesterday, or the police listened to her testimony about the accident.
Now, the important part of the news. Capricorn Clark says that Diddy threatened Kid Cudi.
To threaten means to say you will hurt someone if they do not do what you want. For example, he threatened to break my phone if I told anyone. Or she felt scared when someone threatened her online.
Yes, and Kid Cudi is another famous rapper and music artist. So this story involves well-known people in the music world.
The trial is about some very serious topics: sex trafficking and racketeering. These are difficult words.
Let's explain. Sex trafficking is a crime where people are forced or tricked into illegal sex work. It's very serious. For example, the police stopped a group involved in sex trafficking. Or she worked to help victims of sex trafficking.
Racketeering means doing illegal business or crime to make money, often by a group. For example, the mafia was arrested for racketeering, or the company lost money because of racketeering.
This trial started on May 12th and might last about 2 months. It is a long, important case with many people watching.
During the second week, more people who know Diddy are coming to court. They will give evidence, information that helps the jury and judge decide.
Evidence is a word for facts or information that show what really happened. For example, the lawyer showed evidence to the court. Or, there was not enough evidence to arrest him.
Let's go over some vocabulary from today so you can use them in your own conversations.
Number 1, trial. It's when a court decides if somebody did something wrong.
Number 2, testimony. That is when you tell your story in court.
Number 3, threaten. To say you will do something bad if someone doesn't do what you want.
Number 4, sex trafficking. A crime where people are forced into sex work.
Number 5, racketeering. Doing illegal things to make money, usually in a group.
And number 6, evidence. Facts or information that help the court.
Let's summarize the story using our new words. A famous music producer, Diddy, is on trial in federal court. He is accused of sex trafficking and racketeering. This week, his former assistant, Capricorn Clark, will give her testimony. She says Diddy threatened another artist, Kid Cudi. The court will look at all the evidence and decide what is true.
Let's tell the story in another way. Imagine there is a game, and the referee must decide what is fair. But in this game, people are saying someone broke the rules and did something very bad. The referee listens to everyone's story. This is the testimony. They look at the facts. This is the evidence. At the end, they decide if someone should be punished or not. This is the trial.
Before we finish, remember how to use the words in conversation. For example, I watched a trial on TV. Or, the witness gave important testimony. Or, she felt scared when she was threatened.
You can practice by making your own sentences. For example, the police found new evidence. Or, the news talked about racketeering.
That's it for today's Neo English. If you don't want to miss the daily news in simple English, subscribe to our podcast.
Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be confident talking about the news in English. Thanks for listening.
See you tomorrow, everyone.